Good morning, student. Welcome to e-learning program. In today's lecture, we have studied topic vectors of paper first. In vectors, let us study first point vectors and their types. Second point section formulas. Third point dot product of vectors. Fourth point cross product of vectors. Fifth point triple product of vectors. These 5 points are studied in topic vectors. Let us in let us recall scalar quantity definition. A quantity which can be completely described by magnitude only is called scalar quantity. Scalar quantity definition. A quantity which can completely described by magnitude only is called scalar quantity. For example, mass, length, temperature, area, volume, time, distance, speed, work, money, voltage, density, resistance, etc. These are examples for scalar quantity. Second, vector quantity. Definition: a quantity which needs to describe using both magnitude and direction is called as vector quantity. जी क्वांटिटी डिस्क्राईब करण्यासाठी मॅग्नेट्यूड आणि डायरेक्शन दोन्हीची गरज असते त्याची क्वांटिटी आहे त्याला म्हणायचं वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. फॉर एक्झाम्पल डिस्प्लेसमेंट, वेलोसिटी, फोर्स, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, ॲक्सलरेशन, मोमेंटम, etc. हे जे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत हे कशाचे एक्झाम्पल आहेत? वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. म्हणजे हे ज्यात बेसिक कन्सेप्ट आहे ही बेसिक कन्सेप्ट तुम्हाला झालेली स्केलर क्वांटिटी कशाला म्हणायचं, वेक्टर क्वांटिटी कशाला म्हणायचं. आता रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ ए वेक्टर. वेक्टर इज रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय अ लाइन segment. Vector is represented by line segment. See diagram here. A line segment AB. In line segment AB, the point A is called initial point, B is called terminal point, and the line segment AB is denoted by vector AB. The segment AB with direction from A to B. ही जी लाईन सेगमेंट आहे ए बी या लाईन सेगमेंटची जी डायरेक्शन दाखवलेली आपण ए कडून बी कडे म्हणून इज अ वेक्टर इज डिनोटेड बाय वेक्टर ए बी. ए बीच्या डोक्यावर बार म्हणजेच वेक्टर. त्यामध्ये जो ए पॉइंट आहे त्याला म्हणायचं इनिशियल पॉइंट आणि बी पॉइंट जो आहे त्याला म्हणायचं टर्मिनल पॉइंट. त्याचं वाचन कसं करायचं? अँड रीड्स ॲज ए बी बार while direction from B to A. जर डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम बी टू ए असेल तर इट इज डिनोटेड बाय वेक्टर बी. यामध्ये जो बी पॉइंट आहे इज कॉल्ड इनिशियल पॉइंट अँड ए इज कॉल्ड एज टर्मिनल पॉइंट. इन वेक्टर ए बी the point A is called initial point and B is called terminal point, and the directed line segment is a part of line of unlimited length, which is called line of support or line of action. of the given vector. जी लाईन ऑफ जी वेक्टर ए बी आहे त्याची मॅग्नेट्यूड काय असणार आहे, त्याची जी लेंथ आहे ती कशी असेल, अनलिमिटेड असणार. If the initial and terminal point are not specified, if initial and terminal point are not specified, then the vectors are denoted by A vector, B vector, C vector. Small letters. Small a vector, small b vector, small c vectors. Magnitude of vectors. The vector, the magnitude or size or length. The magnitude of vector AB is denoted by magnitude किंवा mod मध्ये vector AB and is defined as length of segment AB. That is, magnitude of AB vector is equal to length of AB. Therefore, magnitude of vector ABC are denoted by magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, magnitude of C vector respectively. The magnitude of vector does not depends on its direction. त्याची जी magnitude आहे, magnitude of vector does not depends on its direction since the length is never negative. The length असते ते length is always positive. Second point जो आहे types of vectors. First vector, zero vectors. Definition: a vector whose initial and terminal point coincides. A vector whose initial and terminal points are points coincides is called zero vector or null vector, and it is denoted by zero vector or null vector. Second, vector A vector AA vector BB represent the zero vector. Second vector, unit vector. Definition: a vector whose magnitude is 1. A vector whose magnitude is 1 is called unit vector. म्हणजे ज्या वेक्टरचे मॅग्नेट्यूड 1 असेल त्या वेक्टरला काय म्हणायचं, युनिट वेक्टर म्हणायचं. The unit vector in the direction of given vector A vector, and it is denoted by A cap and reads as A cap or A hat. याचं वाचन कसं करायचं, A cap or A hat. Unit vector A cap or A hat. Third, co-initial and co-terminal vectors. Definition. First diagram, see here diagram. A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector. First, co-initial vectors. Definition: a vectors having same initial point are called co-initial vectors. ज्या वेक्टरचे इनिशियल पॉइंट सेम असतील त्या जे वेक्टर आहेत त्यांना म्हणायचं co-initial vector. Here see A vector and B vector whose initial point are same. Therefore, A vector and B vector are co-initial vectors. And whereas vector having same terminal point, whereas vector having same terminal points are called coterminous vectors. ज्या वेक्टरचे टर्मिनल पॉइंट सेम असतील त्या वेक्टरला म्हणायचं कोटर्मिनस वेक्टर, आणि ज्या वेक्टरचे इनिशियल पॉइंट सेम असतील त्याला म्हणायचं को इनिशियल वेक्टर्स. हियर C vector and D vector are coterminous edge vectors. Here A vector and B vector are co-initial vectors and C vector and D vector are coterminous vectors. Fourth type, equal vectors. Two vectors are equal. Definition. See diagram. Two or more vectors are said to be equal vector if they have same direction, if they have same magnitude and direction. Two or more vectors are said to be equal vectors if they have same magnitude and direction. त्या दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त वेक्टर इक्वल केव्हा असतात तर त्यांची मॅग्नेट्यूड सेम असेल, त्यांची डायरेक्शन पण सेम असेल. मग हिअर A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector. Here A vector and B vector are direction same and magnitude are same. Therefore A vector and B vector are equal, and C vector, B vector magnitude are not same, and D vector, A vector magnitude are not same but direction same, therefore are not equal. Both magnitude as well as direction same, then these two vectors are equal vectors. As magnitude of A vector is equal to magnitude of B vector and their direction are same regardless of initial point, we write as A vector is equal to B vector. हे डायग्राम मध्ये जे A वेक्टर आणि B वेक्टर आहे त्यांची मॅग्निट्यूड सेम आहे, त्यांची डायरेक्शन पण सेम आहे, म्हणून ते दोन वेक्टर कसे असणार इक्वल असणार. आणि ते कसं लिहायचं, A वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू B वेक्टर. हियर A वेक्टर, magnitude of A vector and magnitude of B vector are same, magnitude same. A vector, C vector magnitude are same, but direction are not same. So A vector is not equal to C vector. Here direction of A vector and D vector are same, but magnitude of A vector and magnitude of D vector are not equal. Therefore A vector is not equal to D vector. दोन वेक्टर केव्हा इक्वल तर त्यांची मॅग्निट्यूड सेम असली पाहिजे, त्यांची डायरेक्शन पण कशी असली पाहिजे, सेम असली पाहिजे. आता निगेटिव्ह ऑफ ए वेक्टर, फिफ्थ नंबर. इफ A vector is a given vector, then the negative of A vector is a vector whose magnitude is same as that of A vector but direction is opposite to that of A vector. It is denoted by negative of A vector. For example, PQ vector whose direction from P to Q and QP vector whose direction from Q to P. These two vectors are same, magnitude same, but direction are opposite. Therefore, negative of PQ vector is QP vector. If PQ vector is equal to A vector, then QP vector equal to minus A vector is equal to minus PQ vector. QP vector is equal to minus PQ vector. जर तुम्हाला इनिशियल पॉइंट आणि टर्मिनल पॉइंट जर इंटरचेंज करायचं असेल, इफ इनिशियल पॉइंट आणि टर्मिनल पॉइंट आर इंटरचेंज करायचं असेल तर काय करायचं, निगेटिव्ह साइन अप्लाय करायचं. हियर magnitude of PQ vector is equal to magnitude of minus QP vector. दोन्हीची मॅग्निट्यूड कशी आहे, सेम आहे. 6 number, collinear vectors. Collinear means those vectors which is parallel to same line is called as collinear vectors. See definition. Two or more vectors which lies along the same line or which are parallel are called collinear vectors. condition of collinearity. Two vectors A vector and B vector are said to be parallel or collinear vectors if and only if there is a non-zero scalar k such that A vector is equal to k times B vector. कंडिशन लक्षात ठेवा. दोन वेक्टर पॅरलल किंवा तर वन वेक्टर इज स्केलर मल्टिपल ऑफ अदर वेक्टर येत असेल तर दीज टू वेक्टर्स आर पॅरलल वेक्टर or collinear vector. Here A vector is k times B vector असेल, then A vector and B vector are said to be parallel vector or collinear vectors. Second type, free vectors. Definition: if vectors can be translated anywhere in the space is called a vector can be translated anywhere in the space without changing its magnitude and direction, then such vectors is called free vectors. तर इथे ए वेक्टर बी वेक्टर आहेत, त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? फ्री वेक्टर्स. तर आपण ते वेक्टरची डेफिनेशन पहिले पहा आणि वेक्टरचे टाइप्स पाहिले. हे डेफिनेशन लक्षात ठेवा. त्यानंतर आपल्याला पुढे दोन वेक्टरचे ॲडिशन कसे घ्यायचे ते पाहूया. आपण जे लॉज आहेत ते लॉ आपण पुढच्या तासाला पाहूया. आपण थांबूया ते. थँक्यू.